Hi, I'm Greg Kihlström. If your organization's AI strategy currently sounds like let's buy a tool and hope for the best, you're not alone. And you're also about to spend a lot of money becoming very educated, but not accomplishing a whole lot other than some great AI demos. That's why I created AI for Marketers, from prompting to autonomous AI agents, a full day or half day workshop available in person or virtually that takes marketing, CX, and marketing operations teams from curiosity to practical, repeatable execution. We start with the part that most teams skip: how to get consistently good output. You'll learn more about the RCO prompting framework, role, context, output, so your team can produce brand aligned content and analysis without playing prompt roulette all day. Plus, explore meaningful collaborations such as shared prompt libraries and more. Then we'll move into what's next: Agentic AI. Not chatbots that just talk, but systems that act. You'll learn how to identify the workflows that are begging to be automated and how to design multi agent systems that can manage customer touchpoints like onboarding, feedback collection, and reporting while your team stays in control. We also do a rapid fire one amazing thing showcase of 25 plus emerging AI platforms across video, design, analytics, and productivity, so you can separate what's actually useful from what's just loud. And because move fast and break things is not the best brand promise, we cover safe implementation, privacy, hallucination management, and human in the loop guardrails so you can scale responsibly. By the end, your team won't just be using AI to generate more stuff. You'll be orchestrating smarter workflows, accelerating campaign launches, and freeing people up to focus on strategy and creativity, the parts of marketing we should have been doing all along. If you'd like to bring this workshop to your organization, reach out and we'll tailor it to your team, your goals, and the reality of your current marketing efforts. Reach out and contact for more details.